So maybe you're new to e-commerce and you're considering opening an Etsy shop or a Shopify site or your own website to become an online entrepreneur. But you're wondering, like, how can you actually offer free shipping? Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Samantha, and in today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you some insider secrets, some Etsy seller secrets on how you can offer free shipping to your customers globally. So we kind of know that Etsy promotes and favors shops that offer free shipping, but how can you offer free shipping when you have such a high expense to shipping your products, be it your packaging and actually getting the product to the customer safely and quickly? So in this video, I'm going to be sharing with you some insider secrets to how you can actually offer free shipping to your customers, get yourself higher up on those Etsy searches because you're offering free shipping, but at the same time, you are not actually paying for it. Or maybe you don't want to totally offer free shipping, but you want to reduce your shipping expense to a reasonable amount of money that customers are willing to part with. And if you don't know what it's going to cost you for your shipping or how to set up your shipping profiles, I have done videos for you. So don't crack your head with that. Right after this video, just go ahead and watch those. I will leave them linked in the cards and in the description box so that you can go and check those out. So stay tuned. If this is something that interests you, be sure to subscribe because there's a lot more stuff that we're going to be talking about relating to Etsy and being an Etsy seller. To put yourself into a customer's perspective, chances are you are not going to want to pay like $20, $30 for shipping. But if somebody tells you that shipping is going to be $8 for a $30 product, you're probably going to be like, okay, you know what? I am willing to part with $8 for shipping on a $30 product. So the easiest way to offer free shipping is number one, factoring in your shipping cost into your product cost. Say you've already calculated that your product is going to cost $30. That includes your profit, all your expenses for that product, and your shipping is going to be $15. Now your product is going to be $45. And if other people were selling a similar product to you are selling it at about the same price before shipping, fantastic, brilliant. The thing is, you don't want to make your price too high because people are also going to be comparing price for similar products. So put it within a range of what other people are charging for the product. But if $45 seems like too high a price for somebody to pay, actually just split the shipping cost and then add part of that shipping expense into your product and making your product like $36, and then you charge $9 for shipping. So now in the customer's mind, it's like, oh, I'm only paying $9 for shipping for this product, which is $36, and they're willing to part with that amount of money. And it doesn't feel like they're being overcharged or that the shipping is too high. But this is what I wanted to show you guys, that whether you're offering free shipping or the reduced shipping rate, you're actually making the same amount of money. As in our example, that is $45. And the point is to make your customer feel like they're paying far less for the shipping than they actually are, which is why we're preferring to have a reduced rate of shipping as opposed to saying $30 plus $15 for shipping, because at that rate, it's 50% of what the customer is paying for the product, and that would feel like it's far too high an amount to pay for shipping. And you'd be so surprised how many people abort their shopping baskets because the shipping charge is far too high. So you don't want to deter people, and you want people to feel like your shipping rate is affordable. And if you offer free shipping across a range of products and somebody buys 2 products and you're able to ship them together, you may actually gain and actually make a profit off that shipping because each of those products carries a shipping fee, and it's now incorporated into each of their product prices, and they don't feel like they're paying anything extra because people just don't want to pay extra for shipping, because a lot of companies are actually just offering free shipping and as an expense to themselves, as their own business expense. But here we're saying maybe you're a small entrepreneur and you can't actually afford to pay that bill or to put that cost on yourself. You can split the cost and have the customer pay half of it as a direct shipping cost and the other half inside the product, or then you subsidize it. Whatever you do, you just want to be able to make sure that you're keeping your shipping costs really, really low. And this is how you can do it. I know people who have made over $40,000 in revenue in 2020 alone, but it's so competitive. And you just have to be marketing your product outside of Etsy as well. But even within Etsy itself, Etsy has become a search engine. But what's brilliant about it is that it's a search engine for people who want to buy. You know, it's people who are coming to look for a specific item, but they want to buy it. So the more visible your product is, the higher up it is on the search results, the more likely that somebody's going to buy it and order it from you. And that's really what you want to do. You want to get more orders, you want to get more sales, you want to be more visible and to get more reviews. So ultimately, guys, we want to be online e-commerce giants and such a success online. So I hope that this video is helpful and is useful for you. And if it is, please let me know in the comment section below. Do give it a thumbs up if you have liked it, and subscribe, hitting the notification bell so that you know when I put out a new video. I will see you on the next one. It's bye-bye for now.